If you need to change the page orientation in LibreOffice Calc, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple clicks. Whether you want to switch from portrait to landscape or change it back again for printing, this setting can make a big difference when you're working with spreadsheets, tables, and reports. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, open LibreOffice. Once the program is open, look at the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. This will open a new spreadsheet where you can adjust the page settings. If you already have a file open, you can use that one as well. Now go to the top menu bar and click Format. In the drop-down menu, look for Page Style and click it. This is where LibreOffice Calc keeps the page layout and printing options, including orientation, margins, and paper settings. When the Page Style window opens, make sure you are on the Page tab. Inside this tab, you'll see an option called Orientation. This is the setting that controls whether your page prints vertically or horizontally. If you want a taller page layout, choose Portrait. If you want a wider layout that fits more columns across one page, choose Landscape. This is especially useful when your spreadsheet has a lot of data and you want it to print more cleanly without cutting off columns. It can also help when you are preparing reports, invoices, schedules, or any sheet that needs better spacing on paper. After selecting the orientation you want, click OK to save the change. Your page orientation will now be updated for printing. If you open the print preview, you should be able to see the difference right away. And that's it. You've now learned how to change page orientation in LibreOffice Calc in a few easy steps. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.